So on this one, I just want to show you a couple little pen tool shortcuts as a quick tip just to speed up your working. What I find people do quite a lot is they will create a shape, for example, like so, with the pen tool. Then they'll be jumping over to the white arrow to select things, and then they'll turn them into curves. For example, they'll maybe adjust those curves, then move that across, maybe alter the curves in various ways like so. But you don't necessarily need to skip over to that white arrow to do that. You can actually do the whole thing while you're on the pen tool, and a lot of people don't realise this. So if I go down here and just drop in a similar shape here, I'm still on the pen tool here. But what I can do is I could say, right, this anchor point here, I want to move it a bit. So hold down the Control or Command key, and I can reposition it. If I now hold the Alt key down, I can click on it and drag out my curves here. So that means if I want to hold that Alt key down, I can drag that curve in. Want to move this again, hold down the Control or Command key, drag it across. Want to reposition it again, hold down the Alt or Option key, drag this out. Maybe do the same with that one, select it with the Control key, Alt or Option key, bring it out. Select it again with the Control or Command key, Alt or Option key, drag it in more. And I'm doing all of that while staying on the pen tool. I'm not skipping off the tool. I'm simply holding down Control/Command on the Mac or Alt or Option on the Mac, and doing that and switching between the different methods of doing that. So some nice little shortcuts there for working with the pen tool, hopefully speed you up a little bit.